If you click on this video, then you probably have tried making a Roblox game before. Probably turned out trash, just like you. But in this video, I'm gonna be the one making the game. So, with zero coding experience, I begged my brother to help me because he's a nerd, he knows how to code. After a lot of begging, we got started. So first, the idea. We couldn't really think of anything, and since he never made a game before, we decided to do an obby. So the game idea is a normal obby for the players to go through, but throughout the obby, there's a bunch of buttons that randomly give a boost or a nerf. For example, there's the super speed.
Be careful, Adam. Adam!
And then there's no hair. So with all this, we got to work. While I started on the first few obstacles, my brother was working on the button. And it worked. Then we had an idea. What if we added a nuke? For no reason. So I made the nuke in Blender, and he made it so that when the nuke drops, you get teleported to the next obstacle. So we moved on to the next thing. I continued on the obbies, making these genius and creative obbies until we went to the next problem. The jetpack. Dun. This is how the story goes. I had an idea, and I was like, let's make the jetpack like one of the things that you can get when you press the button. Okay. So I hopped on Blender. I made this masterpiece, only for it to never be used. So after another period of working for days on end, finally got it. Psych! We never got it. So we continue on, leaving the jet. So from here, I was running out of ideas. I was doing whatever with the obbies. I was playing games meant for jits to get ideas. But eventually, I got my ideas, and then we had another jetpack situation. Rest in peace, Blue Shell. We wasted more time, but finally, things were starting to come together. Polished some things up, added GUI, made something special at the end, made some questionable ads. I wasted my sweet, precious Robux. And in the end, we ended up doing pretty good. While I'm recording this, I don't even know how it did, but truly put a lot of hard work into this game. And this video took over a month to put together. So if you guys subscribe, it really means a lot. Especially since 90% of you are not subscribed. So if you guys want to check the game, links in the pinned comment. If you made it this far to the video, comment down below, balls. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.